To make a wire transfer from PNC Bank, start by gathering the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. You will also need the recipient's bank routing number and their account number. First, log into your PNC Bank online account or mobile app. If you are using the online platform, click on the Pay and Transfer tab. Then select Wire Transfer. On the mobile app, navigate to the Transfer Money section and choose Wire Transfer. Next, select the account you want to use for the transfer and enter the recipient's information. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details to avoid any errors. You will also need to specify the amount you want to transfer and the currency. If applicable, review the transfer details carefully, including the fees associated with the wire transfer. PNC Bank charges a fee for outgoing wire transfers, which varies depending on the type of account you have and the destination of the transfer. Once you have verified the transfer details, confirm the transaction. You may be required to enter a security code or answer a security question to authorize the transfer. After confirming the transfer, you will receive a confirmation number, which you should keep for your records. You can also track the status of your wire transfer online or through the mobile app. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, make sure to use the most up-to-date bank routing numbers and account information. It is also a good idea to notify the recipient of the transfer, so they can verify the funds have been received. In addition to online and mobile transfers, you can also make a wire transfer from PNC Bank by visiting a local branch or by calling the customer service number. Be aware that additional fees may apply for these services. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can make a secure and efficient wire transfer from PNC Bank. Remember to always verify the recipient's information and transfer details carefully to avoid any errors or delays.